Sziasztok megint! Most az az örömért, hogy felkínálták, hogy menjek el egy próbaútra ezzel a 64-es kis Volkswagennel, úgyhogy most indulunk.
That car is coming out, so
Yeah, I know.
Take it out.
All right, what a pleasure. And sorry, I forgot your name.
Neville.
Neville, that's right, I remember. Now I'm Frank.
You're Frank, yeah.
Yeah. Very good to see you. Wow, what a pleasure. Micsoda gyönyörű kocsi, gyerekek. Mind a két felét le lehet hajtani az ülésnek, mert mind a két oldalon van ajtaja. És halljátok ezt a morgást, gyönyörű. Szuper! Ez az aircondi, itt jön a hideg levegő. Kicsit próbaútra megyünk, mert felújították a motorját. Gyönyörű szépen. So you're gonna find out now where the oil leak comes from?
And now I'll take it for a drive and then leave it so that he can check and see whether...
Yes.
Because he has cleaned the engine.
Yeah.
If you leave it like that, you won't know.
That's right. That's why he cleaned it, so he can see new oil.
Yeah. So unless you take it for a drive, the oil won't come out.
That's right. Hopefully they don't have to take the engine out again. What do you reckon?
From the amount of oil that was dripping, I have a feeling they may have to.
They have to, to do it properly.
Yeah. And this is the second time he's rebuilding the engine.
Okay.
The first time he rebuilt, after the first service, I took it for a long drive to Great Ocean Road. There was a club meeting there.
Right.
But I was still following the 80-kilometer limit, you know.
Ah, right.
And on the way back, the engine backed up.
Really?
Yeah.
There is always the risk with these new engines. And
but I mean,
how about a clutch? I heard some slipping.
No, it's okay.
Yeah?
The brake, the front left brake cylinder is leaking.
Right.
So it's not very...
You know, it's interesting because my 65, it's up in Queensland, and I just had the brakes overhauled.
Yeah.
And exact same thing, the left side was leaking. And you know what was it?
Yeah.
In the slave cylinder, there's a rubber cap, and a piece of hair got jammed in that.
Oh, gee.
And that little piece of hair caused the leaking. So I had to take it out and buy a new cap, or cup. They call it cup. And
you didn't have to change the cylinder?
No, the cylinder was new, because I had the whole brake system reconditioned.
Well, this also has all new cylinders.
Yeah, probably those rubber cups, they $2-3 parts. They cost only $2 or $3.
Yeah, but then why should that cause the leak?
Because unevenly round, it was probably sitting for years in a box or somewhere, and doesn't line up exactly with the inside of the metal cylinder, with the surface. So it could be a little thing like that. Okay, that's fourth gear now, isn't it?
Yeah. Do you do the work yourself?
No, not the brakes. I service my cars, but something serious, I just give it to the professionals. And to the Volkswagen specialists only, the old school ones like Wolfgang.
Yeah, But there are not many left, you know. So
Not many, yeah. I was lucky enough to find a good one on the
Queensland.
Gold Coast, yeah.
Lucky.
Volksmod, he calls himself.
Okay.
Used to have a shop in Burley, and then he sold the building, sold the factory, and working from home now.
I see.
So it's even better, because he hasn't got the overhead.
Overheads, yeah.
So
good.
yeah. And he's not an old fella, like, you know, he's gonna retire fully. He's around 50, 55.
I see.
Also German guy like Wolfgang.
Okay.
His name is Günther.
Günther, okay.
It's a German name too. Yeah, so I've got a Wolfgang here and a Günther up there. How about that?
Which part of Queensland are you?
Gold Coast.
Gold Coast.
Yeah. Okay, runs good. Runs well.
Sounds okay, yeah.
Little bit bumpy, but that's the old suspension.
Yes.
Never known for its comfort. The good old Splitty.
Okay, and I have to find a way back.
You should come with me for a ride in my Combi and see the difference, how soft the suspension on that one.
That's right.
Actually, you haven't got a ride back home now. I can give you a lift if you like, somewhere towards Greensboro or...
To the station at the most.
Yeah, Greensboro station.
Yeah, that's all about whichever. South Thomastown.
Yeah, no problem.
Should be. Yeah.
So that's first or third, was it?
Neutral.
Neutral now. Is it a synchromesh, the first?
No.
No, yeah. I thought so, that's why I thought it's a bit early to select first.
Second. Yeah.
The other thing is amazing is the handbrakes down there.
Yeah.
On this one. Always amazed
Always,
me. The position of that one.
Yeah. I should have kept to the left then if I taken a U.
Yeah. Közben beszélgetünk a mechanikai részéről a kocsinak. Sebváltó, kézifék, stb. We going further up?
Yeah, I'll take next turn back.
Yeah. Doing about 5Ks or something like that. That'll do the job.
You turn here maybe.
Yeah.
Turn must give way, so...
Yeah. And no power steering, of course. Bit heavier now because I'm sitting at the front as well.
Yeah, but they're still very light, you know, because the engine is at the back.
Yes,
so
yes.
It's better to have a bit of weight in front, you know, then it balances.
Yeah, these things make it real simple.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Hardly can hear the engine. So quiet. Yeah, love it.
Yeah, the seat belt if you want to use it.
Oh yeah. Too late now.
Yeah, you almost.
Working, this one? Works?
Yeah, push it up. Yeah, push it up.
Beautiful. Now this is the real air conditioning.
That's right. Well,
see?
You have here too.
60 forward. Yeah, them too. The Safari windows.
Yeah. I had to put the
wipers down. Yeah. Absolutely beautiful. Az első ablakok is kinyílnak ezzel a két zárral, ha kinyitjuk, és előre szépen kinyílik a másik oldal is. Úgyhogy totál friss levegő jön be. Persze a szúnyogok meg a legyek is a szemedbe. Yoo-hoo, we're doing 35 miles.
Yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. 35 37.5 is the 60, I think, 60 k's.
Yeah, in the 60 or 80, I'm not sure.
Yes.
Keep up with the other traffic.
Well, people who follow you, they know this is a slow vehicle. Ez egy lassú jármű. Senki nem lesz mérges, hogyha követniük kell minket, sőt, gyönyörködnek a látványba. Whoever follows us just admiring the bus, because they can't see this every day on the road.
That's true.
When we get back, Wolfgang will put it up on the hoist again.
Yeah.
Not yet. Osztottablakos. That silly mask we have to wear. I'm really pissed off, you know. Because it's in Queensland, where I come from, it's mask free everywhere.
Yeah.
A long time ago they said no need. And I got into this nightmare again. So yeah, hopefully there will be no third wave.
Let's hope so. You know, because the overseas people are coming back,
Yes.
and a few of them have already been tested positive.
6 of them I heard on
There
the
you go.
news. Yeah,
That's
it's a danger again
Exactly.
but if they control it well this time,
Yeah.
the quarantine hotels, then shouldn't be a problem. Like in Sydney, they really handled it well.
Even Queensland, I think,
Yes, that's right.
controlled it in the.
What I didn't like in Queensland though is Air Premier kept the borders shut
Yeah.
for too long,
That's
which meant we couldn't go anywhere because never allowed to come back.
come back.
You know, that was the problem. Especially for me. We used to come to Melbourne every month or so. And I haven't been for 12 months, believe or not.
So
Long time.
who stays in the house in Blackburn?
Well, it's unoccupied. It's fully furnished and just waiting to us arrive, you know, and ready to continue living there. And their neighbor looks after the place, so it's
I think what you should do is spend winter in Queensland and summer here.
Yes, that was the original idea, but you know, have to do the school runs. I've got a 10-year-old grandson, and his
In
parents
Queensland?
need all the help we can give him.
In Queensland?
Yes,
Okay.
that's why I was stuck up there. Anyway, thanks for the opportunity to film this beautiful piece of machinery.
You are most welcome,
And
Frank.
yeah, just probably never have another opportunity to do this.
That's right. That's
Yeah,
right.
so remélem, hogy nektek is tetszett. Ha igen, akkor nyomjátok meg az összes gombot, ami lehetséges, és iratkozzatok fel. Köszi szépen, sziasztok!